Hey everybody, Rich Noto here, Florida licensed realtor, Florida licensed home inspector, Florida notary public with loan signing agent certification, your construction trained realtor. So I'm out here at Casa Fresca Homes over in Haines City, and we are at Crosswinds, and Crosswinds is a new section over here, or should I say newish. It's not exactly new now, but it is newish, and there are a lot of home sites available as well. I feel like I'm dropping the camera today. So here's the Esperanza. Yeah, I don't know if I've seen this now that I'm inside, because it's very high feeling, but also kind of narrowish feeling. I know the camera's going to kind of change the view a little bit. Not that it feels cramped, because it doesn't, but yeah, I don't know if I've ever seen this. Although it might have been an inventory again, so it was empty. So this room over here is set up. Let's see, this looks like, oh, this is different. Ah, okay, this has the, like one of those next-gen kind of suites. That's what this is. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, so this is great if you have like an older relative, or maybe, you know, you have a child that's still living with you. Maybe they're like, 20 years old and they need their own space and they want to come and go out that door. That's what's great about this. Yeah, it's got the whole kitchen. What's this? It's going to be a closet, or what do we have? Oh, another laundry. Look at this. This is how I'm going to have 2 laundry rooms. And here's a bathroom. And here's a closet, so pretty interesting. Yeah. Very nice though. I like this. I like this a lot. And I'm not saying that like, this is enough space for me, because it wouldn't be. I need a whole house. But I like this for what it's good for. And that is, the whole separate entrance thing. So let's see, what do we have over here? The garage?
Garage door open.
Oh, nice balloons. Are these balloons? Oh no, they're plastic balls. Or are they balloons? I don't know. They look like... No, they are. They are balloons. Look at that. It's probably when they had their, the grand opening, which was, I think it was like 2 weeks ago or so now. Or was it a week ago?
Garage door open.
Here's your HVAC. And here is the bathroom. So a pretty big bedroom, as you can see. They got 2 beds. They look like twin beds. Got 2 twins over here. I like the whole Little Mermaid thing. Not that this is the Little Mermaid, because it's not. Not the Little Mermaid, but these are mermaids. Very different theme. I guess this is wallpaper. Yeah, it's wallpaper. Wallpaper is becoming popular in these models. I don't think I would personally would have it in my house, but here's another bedroom. Yeah, nice high ceiling. The ceiling is slanted. I don't know if the camera's going to show it or not, but it's a slanted ceiling. Closet, and we have a washer and dryer. So I'm kind of looking at the flooring, that's why I kind of got quiet. Very nice, I like it. It's definitely some of the, what is it, the vinyl plank. At least it looks like it to me. Luxury vinyl plank. But I like the color. Yeah, very nice. So this is where we came in over here. Very nice area over here. It feels spacious. Even the kitchen does. It feels spacious as well. I was looking at this over here and I was wondering like if there's an option to put like the double doors, but I guess it's something that you could do if you wanted to later on, or some kind of door as well. Yep, here we have what they have set up as kind of like a study, like an office thing. Place to read, do homework, whatever it might be. Nice size room too. Yeah, nice house so far. I like this. We should back up and go over here. The covered patio. This is kind of nice because it's in the middle. It's in the middle of the house. And here we have a bedroom. And here is the bathroom. And over here we have a shower as well. This is nice because you step down into it. Yeah, very nice. Very nice, very different feeling house. So, you know, at this point I am kind of thinking that I probably saw this as an empty inventory one day while helping customers. Yeah, very nice house. I like it. Very different. Very different. You got the quartz countertops. Yeah, I like it. So I'm just want to talk about this a little bit as we walk out. So this is the laundry room. So as you can see, you got enough space for the washer and the dryer. And there's a little bit of space on the side over here. So it's a little bit bigger than the standard or the minimum, I guess you can say. You know, this is definitely a good sized bedroom. So you got two beds over here. Plus you got that one in the front over there, which is that kind of a private suite. And then you have this over here, which I guess could be converted into a bedroom if you wanted to. Plus you have the master bedroom over there, so you got 1, 2, 3, 4. You got 5 bedrooms packed into this house. So pretty interesting. Pretty interesting how they did that. I need to check the square footage again. Was this over 2,000 square feet?
Front door open.
Let's have a peek. 2,292 square feet. Yeah, so good size house, and definitely great for, you know, somebody that might have an older relative as well, as I mentioned. So this house that we're going to go in and see now is the Turquesa. I hope I'm saying it right. Turquesa or Turquesa? Maybe it's Turquesa. Nice looking house on the outside. I don't know if I've ever seen this one before. I'm not sure. Turquesa. 4-bed, 2.5 baths, 2-car garage, 2,039 square feet. Oh wow, I was not expecting this at all. There's a half bath here. That's funny. Wasn't expecting this. That's a nice surprise, I guess. I was so excited to open that door. I should have talked about the entryway. Yeah, so it's pretty spacious, I guess spacious feeling, but a little bit, you know, compact because there's not too much of a walkway to the end. But that's to be expected when you look at, you know, these kind of homes. You know, when you get into like, you know, the bungalow style homes. And when you think of a bungalow, just kind of think about like a townhouse that's been kind of like split off from the other townhomes. Because they're kind of about the same shape and whatever. They're kind of like a, you know, kind of like a rectangle in shape. So again, you got the quartz countertops. And you have that up there. And here we have the pantry. Okay, so second floor pantry. Excuse me, second floor. Second floor loft. I'm thinking about the pantry still. It was a little bit different in shape. That's how it is. Sometimes I walk away and I'm still thinking about something else. So here we have the loft. This is very interesting. Let's see what we see. HVAC closet. And here is the bedroom. So this bedroom, as you can see where my feet are, it's kind of like a smallish walk-in closet. But a walk-in closet nonetheless. You could definitely put more in that than some of the other closets that are like the narrow and long kind of closet. Okay, so pretty nice bedroom over here. I like how it looks. Again, it had the wallpaper. But over here's another closet that's about the same size as the other one was. Yeah, so you can see the wallpaper is really coming back. I don't know why. Now, did I go in this bedroom yet? I don't think so. The closet door shut, or did I do it? When I see these new models, I start thinking more so about, like, what am I going to see next sometimes? Yeah, look at this. And here was the bathroom. Now, did I get this? Yeah, I did get this. Okay, so we're good. This side. Another shot of the loft. Oh, this is interesting. Okay, toilet in the closet room. Well, what's nice about this one is that it has a window. It's a little narrow, so I'm going to try to turn around so you can see it a little better, I hope. Master bedroom's a nice size though, but you know, it always depends on exactly what you need. You got this nice big closet over here. Look at this, and it goes around. Okay, so a pretty good loft, you know, for the size of the house. And I want to check the square footage on this again on the way out. But, you know, pretty good loft because they have the, go back over here, because they have the couch over here. So you can see this couch, like, this is like a 3-seater couch, roughly. So they got the couch, the TV. But a lot of times what people do with a loft like that is they just turn it into a playroom, especially if they have children. So, well, the couch might be there anyway, but usually that can be the playroom. I do appreciate everyone stopping by to watch this. Please check out my website at